Way to break the ice. So, hey guys, welcome back to another video, the Young's Unpacked. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We have been needing to do this for a while. We are actually adding some shade into our back patio. But first, we have to clean up our patio. It's a mess. And every part of me doesn't want to show you guys, but at the same time, like, we're real, you know? Everybody has that thing, right?
We want to be intentional about what we're doing.
Right.
And we want to show you guys, you know, this is this is our day in the life, I guess, video type home projects that we're going to have for our channel.
Right.
And Chloe's obviously screaming because we're outside. She's on the trampoline, and you'll see our dogs. We have a German Shepherd named Phoenix and a miniature
Diva. Oh, I mean Pomsky, my bad. Pomsky named Mia.
Yes.
Yeah, so those are our dogs.
Yeah.
But yeah, we have a lot of work to do as far as cleaning it up. We're gonna mark some stuff on the ground because we got to dig some holes and bury some posts. We're gonna put up some shade sails.
But we first have to clear the patio.
Hi guys. Still jump if you touch it. Really, Phoenix? All right, so I use that wood. It's peach wood. I use it for smoking briskets, ribs, and I have a pile of it over here. I can never keep it in a pile because Phoenix likes to just take it. So, constant struggle. So, not a deep clean or anything like that, but we're just really getting ready so we can measure out where we're going to place these poles and put them in concrete, because we're going to put some shade sails, one main one here and then like two triangle ones on the side.
Like a stranger, his love came and found me the same. In each breath that I breathe, when I wake or I sleep, everything I need is found in you, all in you. Everything I need is found in you, found in you, Jesus. What is love that the God of the heavens would stoop down to love me with grace? In the midst of my pride and rebellion, his love wouldn't give up the chase. In each breath that I breathe, when I wake or I sleep, everything I need is found.
All right, quick break in the action, guys. Abby had to go to an appointment, and so with one car we have to coordinate a little bit differently. That being said, I'm hanging out with the kids until she gets back, because when she gets back I'm going to run to the store. I need to grab some concrete for these poles. So I think we're going to watch a Disney movie. All right, what do we need, Chloe?
We need popcorn.
She's got a point. You can't have a movie without popcorn. Let's do this. All right, so Abby got home a little while ago, and I spent a little bit of time talking to her, and now I'm on my way to Lowe's to get the concrete. Headed to Lowe's because it is, well, it's closer to our house, and conveniently the concrete is cheaper at Lowe's. So gonna go ahead and grab that. Thank goodness the construction that Abby was talking about on her way home is not really here right now. I mean, the construction's here, but they're not actively working on it, so traffic is flowing a little nicer. They're widening this road, and so there's just constant construction, and it makes it kind of a pain to drive through here. But once I get home with the concrete, I'll take a look and we'll see how much more I actually do today. I might have to continue tomorrow. It's getting a little later in the day now. But I want to at least get the concrete, get the stuff so I have it there and we can kind of just get things going. But yeah, excited to get this project going. I know that Abby is super excited to get this project going. She loves being outside, especially in the summer, and it's kind of hard to do that, especially in North Carolina when it's super sunny, super hot, humid, and you don't have any shade. So it's about time that I get this project completed. Got some more hardware. I got the concrete. That should be it. So let's get out of here. All right, another successful Lowe's trip without buying anything I didn't need. All right, guys, let's get back to the house and see what the situation is looking like. I got like 8 bags of concrete because, well, I just want to make sure I have enough. So let's just see what this looks like, and we can get this project underway. Either, well, probably not. Sorry, the air went on. Probably not tonight, but we will continue this tomorrow. Let's get this. All right, so these are the shade sails that we got off Amazon. We have a rectangle one, and then we have two triangle ones that we're gonna put on either side. So I just did one last measurement for square, and I was expecting to have to move some marks around, but I don't. I luckily got it square first on the first go round. So they say measure twice, cut once. So the ground is actually not that bad. I was expecting it to be way harder, but now that I said that, one of these 4 holes is going to give me a hard time, if not more. So I probably won't finish the holes today, but I just wanted to test the ground out and see. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed they're all like that. Oh yeah, good stuff. Well, that's 2 holes down, 2 more to go, but these 2 here are the most important ones to start with, so I can put up the rectangular one first. So that's pretty much all I'm gonna do for today, because it's almost like 7, and I normally help get the kids to bed and yeah, all that kind of stuff. So I'll be back at it tomorrow, and we'll go ahead and set the posts with the concrete. Probably wait a day or 2, depending, and then we can get the shade sail put up. Good stuff, guys. Gotta love progress.
No.
Good morning, y'all. Day 2, and we're going to be putting some poles in the ground. Thankfully, everything was actually pretty easy to dig, at least in these first 2 holes, and I'm hoping the other 2 holes on either side are going to be the same way. So by the way, I got my coffee, got some breakfast. Let's throw some poles in the ground. It's hot, guys. It's hot. And it's only like 9:45 in the morning. I want to get this done before it gets a lot hotter. I'm gonna enlist her to help me because it's easier to have her hold the pole while I try to put the... Are you getting ready?
Yes.
While I put the concrete in, so.
What am I doing?
Who are you calling?
No one. Oh. Michelle.
You're calling her?
Not on purpose. My butt dialed.
Butt dial.
It's because of the position I did. Ring.
It's a hot one today, guys. Had to find some shade real quick, but we got both the poles set up. Now we're just gonna wait for the concrete to harden. Once that's done, the next time you see us, we'll be back to put the shade sail up. So we're both excited, especially to get some shade in this summer heat. So until next time. Good morning, y'all, and welcome to another day. We are going to throw up the tarp today. Well, I'm going to throw up the tarp today because Abby's still sleeping. Isaiah's still sleeping. Chloe likes to wake up early with me. So, coffee in hand. I'm going to try to throw up this tarp before she wakes up and kind of surprise her with it real quick. So, let's do it. One down, 2 to go. Still got the triangle ones on both sides. But I wanted to get this up and see how everything was going to go. So far, so good. Just had to kind of mess around with the hardware a little bit to see what was going to fit better. But everything looks good so far.
Right
Go,
now.
Phoenix.
Hey, Dad, you're recording?
You got to measure?
Okay.
Okay. So you're going to measure down
Okay.
1.5 inches.
Okay. 1.5 inches.
And then halfway across the board.
Okay. Okay. Okay, okay.
Okay. You see where the X's, where the 2 lines meet?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
That's where we're going to put that, okay?
Okay.
want to help me with this?
Yeah.
Okay,
And
look.
when you're done?
I'll put this here.
Okay.
Here, stand up.
Okay.
Give me this. Hold on.
Okay.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Good job. Do you want to put this in here and start screwing it in?
Yep. Okay. I thought I needed more help than that.
There you go. Okay, remember how you did it?
Yep.
Put it through there. Turn it that way. Good job.
I could do it all by myself.
Look at you. Need help?
No, I don't.
Nope, careful with your fingers. You okay?
Yep, I'm okay.
Oh, you're almost there.
Yep. I guess I need to sit down for this.
Miss Independent over here wants to do this all by herself for sure.
Yes.
So, big help though. Here, I'll hold the board for you.
Okay. Thank you. I thought this was harder than I thought.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, hi everyone.
So,
We're
we're going on the cruise, right?
Yeah, we're going on the cruise again. Yep, we are.
Pretty excited?
Yeah, pretty excited.
Who you're most excited to see?
What's the Disney characters?
Which character which character is your favorite?
Elsa and Anna.
What about Minnie?
Yeah,
You like Minnie?
yeah. And Olaf.
And Olaf? Olaf's cool too.
Yeah, even Finn and Kristoff.
As you guys can tell, she loves Frozen.
Yep.
So, all right, we're almost there.
Yes. See, I got a little bit more inches to go.
Little by little. It's like the little engine that could. I think I can.
Yep. Yep, I think I can. I think I can.
Look at you.
Yep, me being a big girl.
That's right.
I think that's the end.
Yep, almost. We're gonna go all the way around. Here, let me see. Let me show you.
Okay.
Look. We're gonna go all the way around one more time. So here, and then we're gonna finish it right here.
Oh.
Boom.
Oh yeah, there
All
we
done.
go. This.
Good job. Give me a high five.
Yeah,
Give me 5. All right, guys, we did it. It's quite a few days later, but we got the shade sails up and we're done. The cruise is literally right around the corner. So as far as the last details, like, you know, putting some stain in the poles, stringing some lights and things like that, all that's going to have to wait until after the cruise because we have some last minute stuff that we're going to take care of. We also have our packing and just making sure that we have everything together. And we actually have some content coming up on that too. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe. Give this video a like, and then hit that bell notification so you don't miss any of our future videos. But we're super excited for the cruise coming up. I can't believe it's right around the corner. With that, we're going to go ahead and bring this to a close. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching our videos. It means the world to us. We're excited for this cruise. We're excited to take you along with us and just to continue, creating this content for you guys. So, thank you again, and we'll see you in the next one.